anyone who cares about Sister Slaw? Isn't there anyone who cares about Sister Slaw? How do we know it's a knife?
Hey, give me a break.
You not good?
I would tennis myself. Why? For pleasure.
You lose it? My shiny, my talk.
Okay. I thought vegetarians were rhinos, but
Sit down.
off me!
Bring this guy's crazy hairdo. Now that's all good.
Alert the troops. Attack.
You killed your own.
What the hell did you? What? I want it to be fresh.
Tasty.
I'm
in that kid's hurt. My highly evolved brain.
I'm tripped out.
Turning, friend. You know what? I just know how to crack.
Didn't come. Something's wrong with it.
Someone should lick it.
You, not baby. What are you, a man?
You calling me a liar?
You're a lying little.
Stop eyeballing me.
You're going 10 steps back. You're going 10 steps forward.
Calm down.
I'm such a stop. Why do you still need to get out of his pubes? Why do you? It's in your work, baby. Oh, man. I feel like I feel turn his emotion.
What's your position?
Suck me in.
You're all dirty-minded. How could you think I'm making a sex joke?
They will get you, Batman.
100 miles of running.
Ow, rabbit!
Yeah. I couldn't tell you that I'm glad, Joss. I know you're all hopeless. Why are you so optimistic?
Yo, look up that word in the dictionary, yo.
You don't be a party pooper. Don't be a party.
Stop, it's a good job, Mike.
I it trips. Some pussy from you. I don't want to accept reality.
You are an enemy, so you don't.
Oh my god, catch my. You're making it too late, okay?
That pack hard rolls fast.
It's just a damn figure.
I'm stuck here in this ridiculous plastic body.
You're trying to seduce me.
No,
You're just the cutest little thing I've ever seen.
you're acting strange. We'll solve this mystery.
There should be some good glue hunting around here.
This case is solved. Come on, bro.
Yo, what shaking again?
Let's just.
Whoa, girl. Whoa, what in the world? Forget my little. Start sweating, KP. Hey, Kim.
You're reading the set.
He likes it.
This is really happening.
No. I'm going to get to the bottom of it.
Harris, him. White is the new black.
I'm nerdy.
Say what?
I'm fed up with this world.
Are we being followed?
Let's have a look.
No more dear rose.
Run out of ideas?
Did you blab?
When did that? When?
You had to be this tall to ride.
Police!
Freshman class calling you. Little.
Come on, I can use some delicious stuff.
Why haven't I got a girlfriend?
I guess. Amazing shape.
No. With punctuation. There is no way you two are going to high school. You
I don't hit word.
Hey. The two of you shouldn't have been looking at some 15-year-olds.
He poked me! Poke.
No more family.
Ignore or come. You can't control my controller. Hey, where you going with that?
Hey, why did you do that?
Because I can. Nothing. I understand. Kitchen.
Pounding and pounding.
Motivated.
I don't get this.
Disgraceful.
How was your day?
I cannot tell you. It's confidential. You know what they know what they.
You better have your shit shaved.
I couldn't find my.
I wish us could be washed away. I don't need your mama.
She wouldn't kiss you goodnight.
Wanna go tease.
Big bell.
buddy.
There might be a fatality. Fatality.
When did I join this dating service?
And they lived happily ever after.
It's not a very satisfying ending.